Hi friends, welcome to all, and today I am going to show you how to download free GTA Vice City game for Android. First, open your Play Store and search for Grand Theft Auto Vice City. See friends, the game rate is 156. Let's start to download the game in free. First, open your Google Chrome. After that, copy the file link and paste it in Google Chrome and search for it. See friends, the app file is here to download. Click the download button. Okay friends, I have already this file. I don't want this file to download. After that, copy the second app data link. Select, copy the link and paste it in Google Chrome and search for it. See guys, the game data file is here. Download it. Okay friends, after downloading files, open your Play Store and search for ES File Explorer. After downloading, open it. Go to internal storage and open downloads. You see the GTA Vice City app file. Click that and install. After installation, go back and open the Grand Theft Auto Vice City zip file and extract it. Choose path, select SD card and go to Android and select OBB file and extract it. After extraction, go to apps. Now open Grand Theft Auto Vice City game. See guys, the game is working. Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and uploads. And don't forget to give thumbs up